Hi friends, my name is Mohit. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Support. Today we will learn how to restore emails when our OST file corrupted in Microsoft Outlook. So when this issue will come, you will see this error. Yeah, I'm zooming the screen. Cannot start out Microsoft Outlook, cannot open this thing. So we are not able to open Outlook. So first of all, I want to tell you what is the OST and what is the difference between OST and PST. So OST means offline storage table file and PST means personal storage table file. So uh, as you know that our all emails on our web emails Gmail, Outlook email, Yahoo email or any other email and even your organization email is also have a web mail and its URL could be o65.mail dot your company or your domain name dot com, your company domain name dot com, or it's mail dot your company domain name dot com. So this all email we can access on through webmail, we but due to lack of features in our web email, so we configure these emails in Outlook or any other application. But we are talking about the Microsoft Outlook in this time. So so when we configure emails. Outlook, as I'm opening this, I'm showing this my Outlook, and the mails is down to start the downloading, and when this email downloading, so it's creating a email file on your system, the OST file, and these OST file or these web email has some limited storage space. Here I have a 15 GB, but if you are using a organizational email in Outlook, so it's depends on your company. Some company has a 5 GB, some company has a 10 GB, some company has a 100 GB. It's all depend. Suppose uh, when uh, when this emails are mailbox are full, so when we need to archive these emails or create a PST file. So so how to be PST, I will share the link how we can create a PST file, and how so on the PST file we drag and drop this e file on the PST file. I will share the link so you can in this description box, so you can check it. Now we are talking about OST. Suppose it's corrupted and we are not able to Outlook. So I'm closing this thing. So this is thing. So how can you recover or restore these emails again? So first of all, we need to go to the task manager and check is Outlook is totally closed. And here I'm checking Outlook is not showing. Going to user tab. Here is my ID. So let me check. It's not there. Even details. I'm not showing out, nothing is there. Okay. So now I need to go the control panel, go to the mail section. Here is the email account data and show profile. Go to the data file. Here is showing the OST file link. I open file location. Here you can see that OST file store in this location. So yes, you need to right click and create a new folder. Give any name. I'm putting the dump because this OST file is corrupted. So what I do, I just drag and drop in a dump folder. Or again, Outlook is working. Let me check again. Uh, I need to close this thing, but I cannot close the because due to some recording. So let me check again and just me check confirm. Outlook is not running anywhere. Task manager is there. Uh, Outlook. So guys, When you will, I think you need to close all MS Office application, and you just need to drag and drop this file on this thing, or let me, where is the folder? Yeah. So you just need to drag and drop when we are all Outlook or MS Office application, including PowerPoint, because I'm recording this session. So you just need to drag and drop. It will do. Yeah, it's good. It's went. So you just need to do. I think there are some service was running should be. So now there is no Outlook this thing, and now we just need to reopen this thing Outlook, close this thing and close this thing. Now there are no OST file is there, and now you just open the right click. Now it will loading profile. It will create a new profile for or new OST file for you and start the downloading. This see if you can see is a first time use. You can see that now preparing Outlook first use 30%, 40% is retrieving email mailbox setting from the web server. So it's see now you can see that also see that now it will increase the OST file size when our emails will be downloaded. Let's wait for this thing. See, now OST file is created, properly created. Now you can see that there are no emails in my inbox. Now it will again starting the download. So it's updating folder, updating calendar, my first, and updating inbox. So it's all depends how much it will take time. All depends on your web email size or your mailbox size, which is stored in the server. And yes. It's all depend on the data, but my total email was only 1.13 GB, or I think 1.25 GB is around. So it will not take more than half an hour. So, but all depends on your data. So here you can see there 211 MB is there in inbox, and other could be in emails in my sent items, in we should be in inbox, junk emails, so Paytm folder, so lots of things. So that's an easy way to how we can restore emails again. Our if OST file is corrupted. So if you were not able to go to the dump, put the this move this folder, so you just wait for some time. Maybe some OST file or Outlook services is running in the backend, and that's the thing. So I hope you understand this thing and you learn this thing, and I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.